Hi everyone, so we have two packages. This is from Croma. Let me cut it here. Let's see what it is. Let me open this as well. So these are the two watch straps, and both are from Croma. And this is magnetic one. You can see watch strap for black tan reverse 44 and 45 mm. That is for my Apple Watch. I have a 44 mm, and some details, and the price is 9.99, and we have a seal as well here. You can see. This is metal black, broad metal, and this is basically black metal strap for the same Apple Watch, and it cost around 12.99. Got it for around 2.99. So let's quickly unbox both of them and see how it looks. The color combination looks quite good, and the magnet itself is quite strong. It looks premium as well. So I think we can use it both ways. Not 100% sure, but maybe we can give it a try this way. And if we try to put it this way, okay, I think we can do it both ways. And I think it says reverse, so it should be possible to do that. Okay, so let's open the second one. I think the seal was already off and they just reapplied the seal, so might be a used one, but we'll open. Okay, yes, if you see, I ordered a different one and got a different one here. So somebody did a very bad job of putting some other in some other product. So if you see, I opened metal black and I got this. This is very cheap. I think this was for 100 rupees and it's not uh, black also. So maybe somebody ordered and returned this, or maybe somebody intentionally did it. So I'll be placing a return for that. So yep, that's it for this. I'll not be putting this on my watch now. So yep. Thanks for watching.